Yeah, let's talk about this guy here. This is Trump, Trump coins, Trump cryptocurrency. So, it has the highest run in bull run in the Coins PH history yesterday. So that's the high of 64, I think, or even higher than 64%. So we all know that the inauguration for Trump as the president will be on January 20. So, and this is currently a political meme coin, which means that this will be affected by the political events, which is the inauguration coming to town in the next few weeks. And the crypto, the crypto is reacting to that correctly. So the question now is, are we going to put all our money into this coin, knowing that this will go up in a few days? So like if I have 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 Solana, do I need to move my investment from Solana and then transfer it to Trump? I think maybe some part of it, not all of them, and not. It depends on how the asset performs in the next few days. Probably in the next 2 days, we'll see if we need to do that. But if I have to invest everything I have, if I have to all in the correct time, is to all in today. Right? So maybe I can invest 50%, not all in, but I will definitely be investing a lot on this, knowing that this is going up. And I already did, actually. So I put all my dormant asset into Trump, all my coins, VH, dormant asset, and it already made a lot of money. And I'm still invested on this coin because I know it's going up. So the question now is, if I already have an investment, so one of the question is, do I put in all my asset into this? Like for all my Solana, the answers maybe half, or it depends on how it performs in the next few hours, or so. And maybe not, because this is a very risky investment. Although it's a big win, we're seeing a very big win on this. But if we're going to invest 50% of our asset, then the next question is, what is going to be our exit point? So if it goes from 200 to 300, then maybe I can exit at 300, and that's multiplied by around 300, 300 by 300, that's 90,000. Easy money, right? So I'll probably exit at 300, and I'm happy with that, and then I'll partly reinvest again, but not more than that. So, but this is risky. I can I'm happy with probably 20,000, 30,000 revenue from this. And that's going to happen in just few days, like 2 3 days from now. So if you made that much money, then okay, fine. I made 20,000 today, so I'm okay with that. But that will definitely use around 50% of my whole asset. But 20,000 next 2 days. Yeah, maybe. I'm okay. And we're good with that. And yeah, so if I invest now and then I exit 200, 300, that's 100. So to make 10,000, you need 100 Trump asset at 192. So that's around 19,000. So 19,000 will make 10,000. So if we invest 90,000 in, yeah, we'll make, that doesn't sound right. No, that will make, if you have 100 times 100, yeah, that's 10,000. So if it climbs from 200 to 300, so you have a profit of 100 times 100 baga, right? And if you multiply 100 maga by 192, it's probably 100 maga by 192. Yeah, that's 19,000, right? Okay, we invest 100 maga, and we have a profit of 100. That's 10,000. But 100 maga, let's say, and we go inside at 200, and that's going to be 20,000. So we invest 20,000, we get 10,000, which is 30% revenue. If we exit at 300, let's talk about the exit plan first before we dive in to that. So on 7 days, on the charts, that's the highest. Today is the highest, right? And it might go down, which is because people are like this one. People are going to take asset or take the revenue from that run. In 1 month, it's the highest for the month. So the tendency is it will go down. Maybe we'll wait for that. We'll buy at 175 or probably, or optionally we can invest at 200. It doesn't matter. But my exit plan is to exit at 300. And do you think that's possible? The next high will be 250 because we're seeing volume there. If you look at the 1 year graph, the 300 is actually 300 is actually possible. Yeah, my internet is really crazy right now. Okay. Yeah, so 300 is possible. And the internet just went off. So let's look at the 1 year graph. Look at 1 year graph of this. The 300 is really visible and we can exit at 300. Okay. And we don't have graph to to tell you because the internet just blow itself up. But anyway, let's just talk about that imaginary graph in there. So yeah, if you look at the 1 year graph, it goes up to 800. It doesn't have that much volume. 300 is most probably the exit. But since the political event is going to happen on January 20, if we don't meet the 300 exit point, then we can exit probably 3 days before the event or 3 days before the political event. So are we going? So basically, the plan is to invest 20,000 and gain a revenue of another 10,000, and we're happy with that. And yep, that's all for now because my internet just go away, which is crazy. Okay, that's all for now. And then you can trade with this on I don't know if I would suggest you trade in CoinsPH because that's if you're in the Philippines, that's local. And then there's Orbit, which has Trump in Virgin Islands. If you're using Orbit, and then I'll post my referral code in there. So yeah, happy trading, and definitely Trump will go up. So put in some money and wait for it to grow. And it's probably 30% at max. But yeah, for long-term investment, like okay, I invest 100,000 and then I don't want to exit after inauguration. It will go down. True, true. That's very true. And I don't have the graph, but immediately right after the election, Trump go down. But this is really different now. Trump is no longer a candidate, which soars the Trump coin very high. And then Trump is no longer somebody who wins the election. He is the president of the United States now. And from being a meme coin, this is going to be a utility coin that will be used by the president because this is the president coin. Right? So long term, we will be seeing this going up and it will be impacted every time positively or negatively by political events happening on Trump's term. So that's all for now. Happy trading, happy new year, and see you all on my next tutorials. And please like and subscribe and follow. And yeah, uh, use my referral code so we make a lot of money from my links. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on my next training or tutorial or live or whatever. Good morning and have a nice day. And if it's evening, then good evening and wherever you are in the world. Thank you for watching.